everybody, welcome back to I Speak Organized. My name is Melanie and I'm your professional organizer and productivity consultant, and I am back with my little assistant here who's taking a nap, so I'm standing here swaying back and forth like a crazy person. This is part of a three-part series where I will be sharing the tips and wisdom from the 80s, what to do when your mom or dad says clean your room. Side note, can you get motion sickness from watching somebody on your screen that's swaying back and forth? If this sounds interesting to you, or you have a kid that just needs to learn how to make the bed, be sure to check out the rest of these videos in this series so that you can have the full picture of this wonderful 80s children's classic. Stick around, I'm gonna read it to you. We're gonna do it together. Let's get going.
Oh my god, look how organized my house is.
My screen is a little bit crooked, so maybe I'll stand like that. It's like, it's artistic, it's avant-garde, you know? I'm not even gonna bother fixing it, it's fine. You guys don't even care, you might not even notice. Let's get into it, shall we? What to do when your mom or dad says, clean your room. These glasses make me look very official, like I read a lot of books, but really in reality they're just my blue blockers for the screens, you know? So I spend a lot of time in front of my computer writing and whatnot. So, has your mother or father ever told you, clean your room? This kid looks like he is in some trouble, like mom or dad told him to clean his room and he really didn't feel like it. Whenever you're told to clean your room, do you feel overwhelmed and frustrated? What a mess. Okay, seriously, you need to look at this. This kid has got some issues. It looks like he hasn't cleaned his room in a million years. He's got a monster sitting on the bed, and he's got what appears to be a dartboard above his bed, you know, and it kind of looks like, yeah, he needs to work on his aim, because I'm pretty sure those are darts sticking in the wall, so he needs a little bit of practice. Oh boy, she's waking up. Gotta settle down, baby, yeah. Shh, shh, shh. And also looks like you've got some clothes up here on top of the lamp, which I'm pretty sure is a fire hazard, so we need to get it together and figure that out and get the clothes off of your lampshade here, kid. He also has a talking fish who says, what a mess, and I concur, what a mess. Whenever you are facing a room that you're supposed to clean, do you wonder, where do I start? And the fish also wonders, what does he do? You can see, here we are. If any of this sounds familiar to you, you're going to love this book. Why? Because it will tell you exactly where to start and what to do to clean your room. If you follow the instructions outlined in this book, you will be able to clean any room, no matter how dirty or messy it is. I feel like that's true only if you do the work. They should probably put that little disclaimer in there. Step 1 is to clear everything off of your bed. Next, step 2 is to make your bed. Shocking, I know, right? Because I told you that's what this video was about. If your sheets need to be changed, this is the time to do it, and here's how. Okay, so first of all, he's got a frog on the bed saying, hey, look out. Yeah, right here. It's very important to note that as you clean your room, you have your tongue sticking out like this. Yeah, clearly. So, step 1, you'll probably be working with a fitted sheet, with a fitted bottom sheet. And if you are, slip the 2 top corners of the sheet over the top corners of the mattress. Step 2 is then slip the 2 bottom corners of the sheet over the bottom corners of the mattress. Lift each mattress corner as you slip the sheet over it. I will insert a little picture right here so you can see the diagram of what that looks like right here. Okay. Oh, no, no, no. You settle down there, little one. You need to learn how to make your bed. It's very important. You're going to be doing it in a couple of months when you're 4 months old. Step 3, put the top sheet on the bed, making sure that the side with the wide hem is lined up evenly with the top of the mattress, and there is an equal amount of sheet hanging down on both sides of the bed. Also, the right, it says, or prettiest side of the sheet should be facing down on the bed so that it shows when the sheet is pulled back. Okay, I don't even do that, but I feel like now I have an excuse to go buy those really cute pineapple sheets to put down, face down on the bed so that they can be flipped up and displayed all nice and cute. Where was I? Step 4 is blanket. Put the blanket or blankets on top of the sheet. Make sure to put the top edge of the blanket about 8 inches from the top of the mattress. Also be sure to leave an equal amount of blanket hanging down on both sides of the bed. Okay, so you can see here we have 8 inches. There, so about right there from the top of the mattress, and that's where you want to pull the sheet back, or the blanket, sorry, excuse me, blankets. Okay, step 5 is to now fold the top edge of the sheet over the top edge of the blanket. Step 6 is to then tuck the bottom edge of the sheet and blanket underneath the mattress. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory. You take the sheet and fold it back over that blanket right there so you can see the cute pineapples. And then you have the tucking underneath the mattress at the bottom. Step 7, finish off the corners by picking up the sheet and the blanket together approximately 12 inches from the bottom corner, and lay these up on the mattress, I think, to just get them out of the way. Tuck the bottom remaining portion of the sheet and blanket under the mattress. Then take the sheet and blanket you have placed on top of the mattress and tuck these under the mattress too. Next, tuck in the sides of the sheet and blanket. Okay, this is really confusing when it's read out like that, so I'm gonna insert a screenshot right here. Step 9, to finish making your bed, put your bedspread on the bed while making sure that the sides and the bottom edges of the spread barely touch the floor. The top edge should be folded back about 20 inches. Step 10, are you guys getting seasick yet? It's kind of fun, like, I don't know, if I stop moving, she might not cry, but then she might, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. Put your pillow at the top of the mattress in the middle of the bed along with the folded bedspread, and then pull the spread over the pillow. So in step 9, you can see that you put the bedspread on there, right? And then you fold the top back, because that's where the pillow's gonna sit. Oh boy, here she goes. And then you put the pillow on top of that and fold the spread over the pillow. And that's it. Super simple, just in time, because little Miss Thing over here is crying. We're going to end this part 1 of our 3-part series of how to clean your room, and subscribe to this channel if you're interested in learning some more tips and tricks from a professional organizer on how to organize and declutter your home and be more productive for every phase of your life. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm having way too much fun bouncing around right now, so I'm gonna get outside and get a little fresh air, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for sticking around. Bye.